Hey everyone, Cody from Mac Telecom Networks. Ubiquiti just released another video on the Unifi AI 360 camera, so this is going to be a thoughts video on it. First, we'll start off by watching this video, and then we'll watch the older video that they released on the AI 360 camera. If you don't want to listen to what I have to say, I will put the links below for the Ubiquiti videos, and you could just go watch those. So let's take a look at this new video. So the first thing I noticed is this camera looks like it's fairly small, so it will mount perfectly onto a wall or onto a drop ceiling, and it won't be an eyesore. Next, we have our standard hardware for mounting this camera. In the top left, we would use this to mount to drop ceiling, and then we have a mounting template. We also have another bubble lens, which is great. And then on the left-hand side, I'm not too sure what that's for. If you know, please leave it in the comments below. That was their short video just showing what's in the box. Next, we'll take a look at the Introducing Unifi Protect AI 360 video.
Introducing the AI 360 camera, an intelligent, high-performance digital pan-tilt zoom camera that brings complete 360-degree coverage and enhanced detection capabilities to your Unifi Protect security deployment. Sporting an ultra-wide 360-degree fisheye lens, the AI 360 provides complete, highly detailed panoramic coverage of large areas with a single camera, making it the ideal solution for shopping centers, restaurants, parking lots, and other high-foot traffic areas. The AI 360 also provides enhanced smart detection capabilities, the latest in detection technology that allows the AI 360 to detect a person or vehicle to a much higher degree of confidence than ever before. With a compact, modern design, the AI 360 includes a built-in microphone and speaker for clear, intelligible two-way audio communication, and comes with two interchangeable bubble lenses, including an optional water and impact-resistant bubble lens for outdoor installations, as well as built-in infrared for crisp, high-quality night vision. Completely powered by PoE, the AI 360 is easy to install, and with the Unifi Protect mobile app, the camera is automatically detected and quickly added to your deployment. The AI 360 is an intelligent, powerful camera that will greatly enhance your surveillance and security system. Bring the future of surveillance to your deployment at UI.com.
This camera looks like it's really cool. I could see myself deploying these at some of the doctor's offices that I manage, as well as small restaurants. One thing I like, you could do the pan tilt zoom within the AI 360 camera, or you could just make it the 360-degree view. I've never been a huge fan of the fisheye lens, but once I get my hands on this, hopefully it changes my mind. Next thing is the enhanced smart detection. I'm hoping that they provide an update to our UNVR or UDM Pro or wherever you're using Protect to make this even better. Since the start of the smart detection, sometimes it's a little slow to detect a person or vehicle, so I hope it becomes a little more accurate. So now they have a speaker and a microphone for two-way audio. We all know that two-way audio on cameras doesn't really sound that good. Hopefully they put a better speaker and microphone within this camera so we could have a clear voice going through. Also, while we're on this picture, I would like Ubiquiti to come out with some back boxes for their cameras. We could see that it's mounted to a pole, but they currently don't offer any of that on their website. You have to retrofit yourself some back boxes if you need it, and I think it would be a great addition to the Protect line. I really like that they added another bubble dome for their outdoor installations, and we all know that their infrared is pretty good, so I'm excited to see how well it does in the dark. One thing I really like about this camera is the cable management, so we can mount it flush to the wall. I like how they do this. Some vendors won't put that much thought into the design. So final thoughts, I can't wait to get my hands on this camera and do some review videos on it and testing them out. Hopefully it releases to the public soon, so that we could try out a new Protect camera. Like I said, this would be great for doctors' offices, for restaurants that have an open area where we could leverage that 360 view. Let me know what you think about this camera below in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, thanks.